Okay, so in the next lecture, in this lecture we are going to solve some problems from Essende book. Okay, so the first sum of this very short answer type questions. The first sum. What does the first sum says? That it says us that the third term of an AP is 1 by 5 and the fifth term is 1 by 3. So what does it says us? That the third term is 1 by 5 and the fifth term is 1 by 3. Third term is 1 by 5 and fifth term is 1 by 15. I think so. That is only given. Sorry, 1 by 3. Sorry, it's 1 by 3 given. So what to do in this question is now showing that the sum to 15 terms of an AP is 5. Okay. So what do we go with the third term? T3 equals to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Right, that is 1 by 5. If I do like this, the third term is 1 by 5 and the fifth term is 1 by 3, right? So what will be the fourth term? So fourth term is also in AP, right? The fourth term is also in AP. Therefore the fourth term is present. We don't know fourth term is equals to x, suppose. So we get that if the term is in AP, if it is in AP, so I will do fifth term minus the fourth term, right? 1 by 3 minus x. The common difference between them will be same, right? Minus 1 by 5 now you will do x minus 1 by 5 equals to this, because fourth term, fifth term and the third term are in AP. So I can easily write like this, right? Like this is in AP, right? So let's move on to this. 2x equals to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5, right? Now it is nothing but 8 by 15, or x equals to 4 by 15, right? So the fourth term is 4 by 15. So how can I get the common difference? The common difference D, right? The common difference CD equals to fourth term minus the third term. Fourth term is how much? 4 by 15, right? Minus 1 by 5. It is nothing but 15. 5, 4 minus 3, 1 by 15 is the common difference. The common difference D we have got. Okay. So how can we get the first term from here? By simply subtracting the third term by 1 by 15, we can get the second term. Second term of the series is nothing but the third term minus the common difference. Common difference 15, 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 15, and the first term is 2 by 15 minus the difference equals to 1 by 15, right? So 1 by 15 is the first term. So now what they have show that the sum to the 15 terms of the AP is 8. So we have got everything. Now the eighth term. Okay, so sum of n, we know that it is being nothing but n by 2 multiplied with 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Where a stands for the first term, right? N is the number of the terms present, so number of sum to 15 terms. So 15, we replace n is over here 15, right? Number of total number of elements present in the system, right? So it's 15 by 2, 2 into 1 by 15, right? Plus 15 minus 1 in denotes it, and d is already we have occurred, that is 1 by 15, right? So we get 15 by 2, 2 by 15 plus 14 by 15. It is nothing but equals to 15 by 2 multiplied with 16 by 15, and if we cut it out, it goes to 8. So 8 is the answer. We have hence proved that the sum of the 15 terms is 8. So this was all about the sum, all about this first sum. Okay. So next move on to the second sum. Okay.